In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and clean up your Mailchimp contacts effectively. This process will help you maintain and organize an efficient mailing list, saving you time and potentially reducing costs. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the home page. Now, look to the left-hand menu, which is your navigation bar for all things Mailchimp. From this menu, you'll want to click on Audience. This section is where you can view and manage all of your email contacts. After clicking Audience, proceed by clicking on All Contacts. This will pull up the list of everyone currently stored in your Mailchimp database. Our next step is to filter these contacts to identify those that are not actively engaging with your emails. You're specifically looking for contacts who are unsubscribed, non-subscribed, cleaned, meaning their emails have bounced, and inactive subscribers who haven't opened your emails in a long time. To do this, locate the filter drop-down option on your screen. Click on it to reveal a series of choices. From these options, you'll want to choose Email Marketing Status. Now you can pick one of these categories: unsubscribed, cleaned, or non-subscribed. This will allow you to sift through your contacts and get a clearer view of which addresses are not contributing positively to your email marketing campaigns. Once you've filtered these contacts, it's time to make decisions about what to do with them. Start by selecting the contacts from this filtered list, which will usually show you who falls into each category we discussed. Once you have them selected, look for the Actions drop-down menu. This is where you can decide whether to archive or delete these contacts. Archiving is recommended if you want to keep the data stored, but remove it from your active mailing list and potentially lower any associated bill. This is a great option if you think you might want to retrieve these contacts later. On the other hand, if you are certain you no longer need these contacts and want to permanently remove any trace of them from your account, you can choose to permanently delete them. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so it's wise to only go this route when you're sure. A key takeaway here is if there's any uncertainty about whether you'll need a contact in the future, it's safer to archive them rather than delete. Deletion is irreversible, whereas archived contacts can always be restored.